Namaste students, continuation of the second unit in investment management, that is risk and return calculation. Today I am going to solve the question paper problems. The question paper here is December 2005, Jan 2006. First I will read out the question. You can also see it in the PPT. The question is taken from December 2005 and Jan 2016, that is MBA 3F2 question paper. It is a whole scheme. The question number is 2C, that is you are evaluating an investment in two companies whose past 10 years of returns are as follows. So, here they have given the evaluation of an investment for two companies they have given for the 10 years. Okay, so the companies called ABC company and XYZ company. So, two companies they have given, first company is ABC and second company is XYZ, and they have given the percentage return during the year. So, they have given the percentage return for 10 years 1 to 10. Okay, so first year for ABC it is 37 and for second year it is 24, third year it is -7, fourth year is 6, fifth year is 18, sixth year is 32, seventh year is -5, eighth year is 21, ninth year is 18, and at the last year it is 6% in terms of percentage they have given. And for XYZ, first year it is 32%, second year it is 29, third year it is -12, fourth year it is 1%, and fifth year it is 15%, sixth year is 30%, seventh year is 0, eighth year is 18%, ninth year is 27%, and the last year, that is 10th year, is 10%. This is the data they have given. They have given two company X and XYZ and ABC, and they have given the percentage return for 10 years from 1 to 10. And the question they have asked, calculate, the first question, calculate the standard deviation of each company's return. We have to find out the standard deviation risk of each company's return, that is the first one. And the second one, calculate the correlative coefficient of the company's return. So, we have to find out the R value and also the covariance of X and Y we are supposed to calculate. The third one, if you had placed 50% of your money in each, so out of 100, if you have given 50% for first and rest same 50%, what would be have been the standard deviation of your portfolio and the average yearly return. So, they have given the weights of 0.50 each. Okay, total if it is 1, 0.5 and 0.5 will be considered. This is the data they have given. So, based on this we have to find out the standard deviation of ABC company and XYZ company individually. Later on we are going to calculate the covariance of XY, then we do calculate the value of R, and we do calculate the return on portfolio at the weights of 0.50 each. At the end we are going to calculate the portfolio risk. We are going to calculate the standard deviation portfolio we are going to find out. Okay, so first write down the data whichever they have, whatever they have given. So, they have given the data. So, here ABC and XYZ they have given. So, let assume ABC is equal to X and XYZ is equal to Y. Okay. So, you take the year, here they have given how many year? 10 years, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then they have given the value of return, they have given the return. So, ABC company first you take it, that is we call it as X. Okay, ABC is called as X. Then they have given Y, that is XYZ. You take the return 37, 24, -7, 6, 18, 32, -5, 21, 18 and 6. Then XYZ, that is Y, 32, 29, -12, 1, 15, 30, 0, 18%, 27 and 10. This is the value they have given. So first what we have to do, we have to find this is the return of ABC, and this is the return of XYZ. So first you do the sum of this one. This is sigma x, how much total of this one? It is 150. Okay, and also you find out the sigma y value, how much? It is 150. Okay, then find out the x bar. X bar is equal to 150 divided by sigma y. Find out the x bar and the y bar. X bar is equal to 150 divided by n. It is 15. Then 150 by 10 for y also. How much you will get? You will get 15. This is the calculation of x bar and the y bar. So once you find out the value of x bar and y bar, then moving on to x minus x bar square, then y minus y bar square, like that we are going to do. So first find out x minus x bar. X minus x bar, so we have x bar of 15 here, and x we have a value of the x bar, x given x and x bar. So they have given x value and we have found x bar. Find out the x minus x bar, minus of that one 22, you will get 9, then you will get 22 minus value it is, then it is 9, it is 3, you will get 17, then 20 you will get, it's also minus, then 6 you will get 3 and minus 9 you are going to get. Fine. Next moving on to x minus x bar whole square. You do the whole square value, how much you are going to get. So do it in the calculator, how much you are going to get. Okay, you are going to get 484. Then second, you are going to get 81. You are going to get 484. Then 81, this is 9, so you are going to get 289, then 20, so you are going to get 400, then 6 square 36, 3, 9 and 981, already you have calculated in the previous years. Okay, so total of this, how much you will get? You do the calculation. Total is 1954. Okay. Next moving on to same thing, how we have done for x, you do it for y. Y minus y bar, you are supposed to do it. Y bar, it is 15, y values they have given here. Okay. So you do it. Is 17. Next, it is 14. Then it is 27, it's a minus value, simultaneously 14, okay, it's also minus, then it is 0, it is same 15 and 15, then 30 and 15, 15, 0 and 15, it is 15 only, minus value, then 18 and 15, it is 3, then 12 and 10 and 15 minus 5. They have given the y minus y bar. Okay, we have found y minus y bar. Moving on to y minus y bar square. Find out the square value for 17 and subsequent values. How much you are going to get? So you are going to get 289. 289 you are going to get. Then 14. 14 square 196. Then 27 square 729. 14 square 196. 0, it is 0 only. Then 15 square, how much it is? 225. Then same 225. Okay, then 3 as usual, it is 9. 12, how much you are going to get? 144. And 5 as usual, it is 25. This is the value of y minus y bar whole square. Total of this you do it. So total of this is 2038. Okay, this is called as y minus y bar whole square. Okay, then calculate x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Calculate x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Okay, x minus x bar we are having, y minus y bar we are having here. So x minus x bar all into y minus y bar. Okay, you do multiplication of this one, x minus x bar, y minus y bar. 22 into 17. It is how much? 374. Next 9 into y bar 14. It is 126. Next 22 minus 22 into minus 27. It is 594. Next, same thing you do it for the remaining. Okay, so you are going to get 126. It is 0. 225. For that, how much you are going to get? 17 and 15. Multiplication of that, how much you are going to get? 255. Then minus 20 into minus 15. So you are going to get 300. Next, we are going to get 18. Then 36. At the end, we are going to get 45. Total of this you are supposed to do it. How much you are going to get? 1874. 1874 you are going to get. This is the tabular calculation before we go for calculation of standard deviation for individual securities, then correlation coefficient and portfolio return and portfolio risk. Okay, this is how we are going to calculate. Next, find out the first question. Calculate the standard deviation of each company's return. So first we have to find out the standard deviation. Standard deviation of ABC. Standard deviation of ABC formula already have given in the previous sessions. So what is the formula? Standard deviation, individual security standard deviation is equal to sigma x minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1. For this we have to find out the root value. Okay. So already we have find sigma x minus x bar whole square is 1954 divided by 10 minus 1. For this we have to calculate the root value. 1954 divided by 1954 divided by 9. It is how much? 217.11. 217.11. For this you do the root value. So, you will get 14.735. 14.735. This is the value of risk for ABC company. Do it same thing for XYZ, that is root sigma y minus y bar whole square divided by n minus 1. So, sigma y minus y bar whole square, that is 2038 divided by 10 minus 1, root value for that 2038 divided by 9. You will get 226.444. For this we have to find out the root value. You will get 15.05. 15.05. Risk, individual risk is 14.735 for ABC, and for XYZ it is 15.05. Got it? Next, moving on to correlation coefficient calculation. Correlation coefficient calculation. So, go for correlation coefficient calculation. So, in the correlation coefficient calculation, we have to find out the covariance of XY. Covariance of XY we supposed to find. So, covariance of XY is equal to, already I have given you the formula. What is the formula? That is sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Sigma value we have to consider divided by n minus 1. N minus 1 sigma x minus x bar and y minus y bar. So, whatever you have calculated x minus x bar into y minus y bar, the total value is 1874. So, 1874 divided by 10 minus 1. Okay. So, 1874 divided by 9. So, I will get 208.22. 208.22. This is the value of covariance of XY. Okay. Then find out the value of R. What is the formula of R? R is equal to covariance of XY divided by standard deviation of X and standard deviation of Y. So, covariance of XY divided by standard deviation of X into standard deviation of Y. So, covariance of XY how much? 208.22 divided by standard deviation of X, already you have found, that is 14.734. 14.735 into standard deviation of Y, it is 15.05. 15.05. So, calculate. So, you will get 0.94. You will get 0.94. You will get 0.94. 0.94 is the value of R. It is less than 1. Got it? Next, moving on to calculation of return on portfolio and risk on portfolio. So, after calculating the individual standard deviation for ABC and XYZ, we have found covariance of XY and value of R, that is correlation coefficient we have found. So, after this you are supposed to find out return on portfolio and risk on portfolio. Return on portfolio and risk on portfolio. Okay. So, moving on to return on portfolio calculation, that is ROP. Okay, return on portfolio. So, return on portfolio weights they have given already. So, weight they have given how much it is 50%. Go to the second question, that is calculate the correlation coefficient of the company. We have done it. If you had placed 50% of your money in each, 50% total 100% is equal to 50:50. Okay. So, 50% and 50% weight W is equal to 50 and 50. So, apply the formula ROP is equal to, that is weight of X, weight of X. How much we have weight of X, that is 0.50 into X bar plus weight of Y into Y bar into Y bar. Okay. So, weight of X is 0.50, 50%. 1 should be equal to both 0.50 into X bar, whatever you have found. X bar, how much you have found, that is 15, already we have calculated. Then plus weight of Y also 0.50 into Y bar also 15, same, initially we have calculated that. So, find out the value of ROP. Find out the value of ROP. 0.50 into 15. This is 7.5 plus 0.50 into 15, same 7.5. Okay. Together, how much it is? 15. It is 15%. Put together it is 15%. This is the calculation of return on portfolio. Okay. Next, moving on to standard deviation portfolio. Find out the risk on portfolio. Risk on portfolio is equal to, apply the formula of standard deviation P. We have to apply the formula of standard deviation P. So, apply the formula, that is weight of X square into standard deviation of X square, okay, plus weight of Y square into standard deviation Y square plus 2 into R into weight of X into weight of Y into standard deviation of X into standard deviation of Y. This is the formula we are going to apply. Okay. So, already I have calculated in the beginning stage in the table I have calculated standard deviation X square, then simultaneously other values also have given. So, put all the values of that, that is weight of X square, how much it is 0.50 whole square, standard deviation X, how much we got standard deviation X. So, how much we got standard deviation X, that is 14.735 square plus weight Y, how much it is 0.50 square, okay, into standard deviation Y square. Standard deviation Y square, how much it is 15.05 whole square plus 2 into R is how much we have calculated already 0.94 into weight of X is 0.50 into weight of Y 0.50 into standard deviation of X, how much it is standard deviation of X 14.735 and standard deviation of Y it is 15.05. Okay, this is the values we are supposed to calculate. So, apply the root value. So, calculate Okay, so you are going to get root 215.14. Sum of this root 215.14 root value will get. So, 215.14 root value he will get 14.67%. He will get 14.67%. This is the value of risk where we have found it. So, return is 15% and the risk is 14.67. This is how we are going to calculate the risk and return on two securities. Understood? Next, continuation. Next problem. Moving on to the next problem, that is question paper problem from the year December 2006 and Jan 2007 question paper. It is a old scheme. The question paper code is MBA 3F2. It is a old scheme question paper. The question number is 3C, carries 10 marks. I will just read out the question. The returns on two securities under 4 states of economy are given below. They have given the return of two securities under 4 states, under 4 stages they have given based on the economic life cycle. Okay. So, they have given the companies of ONGC and VSNL in terms of percentage they have given. So, first economy they have given economies which contain expansion, peak, recession and through. And probability they have given for like ONGC as well as VSNL, it is 30 for expansion, 40 for peak, 10 for recession and 20 for through. And ONGC they have given 15%, 10%, 25% and 5%. VSNL is 8%, 18%, 16% and 24%. This is how they have given the values. And the question they have asked, to calculate the expected return and risk of each security. We have to calculate the expected return as well as risk of each security individually. Then calculate the covariance between the return on ONGC and VSNL. We have to calculate the covariance between the return on ONGC and VSNL and we have to comment. Then calculate the correlation coefficient between the return on ONGC and VSNL. This is the question they have asked. Okay, which carries 10 marks. Okay. Yeah, let us solve the problem. Let us solve the problem. First, we have to write the data whichever they have given. So, let us assume ONGC is equal to X and VSNL is equal to Y. Okay. Then they have given the values. First you do it for ONGC. They have given probability they have given. Then they have given X value, that is return value they have given 0.30 in terms of proportionate, 0.40, 0.10, then 0.20. X is 15, 10, 25 and 5. Okay. And same thing we have to do it for VSNL also. You take probability, same probability 0.30, 0.40, 0.10, 0.20. Then Y we have to find out. They have given the Y value, return value they have given, that is 8%, 18%, 16% and 24%. Okay, this is the value actually they have given. So, we have to find out the expected return of ONGC, expected return of VSNL, and subsequently we are going to calculate the value of covariance, and also we are going to calculate the risk of individual securities ONGC and VSNL. At the end we are going to calculate the correlation coefficient of the particular company. Okay. So, let us solve the problem. So, first they have given the actual return, we have to find out the expected return. Okay. So, we call it as X bar we have to find out. Okay, X bar is equal to X into probability. X into probability, you do it, you will get the value 15 into 0.30, it is 4.5. Then 10 into 0.4, it is 4. Okay. Then 0.10 into 25, it is 2.5. Then 5 into 0.2, it is 1. Total of this, it is, how much you will get? You are going to get 12. This is called as Rx bar. Okay, this is called as Rx bar. Then find out X minus X bar whole square. This is called X bar. Okay, this is called X bar. So, find out the value of that one. It is 9, 4.5, sorry, 4.5 minus 12, so 4, 15 and 12, it is 3, 15 and 12 it is 3, then 10, 12 it is minus 2, 25 minus 12 it is 13, 5 minus 12 it is minus 7. Okay, this is called X minus X bar. Moving on to X minus X bar, X minus X bar aito, next X minus X bar aito, then X minus X bar whole square we are going to calculate. So, 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, it is 9. So, 2 how much it is? It is 4. 13 how much? It is 169. 7 how much? It is 49. Then you go for P into X minus X bar whole square. You multiply 9 into 0.30, you will get 2.7, then 4 into 0.40, you will get 1.6, then 169 9 into 0.10, you are going to get 16.9, then you are going to get 9.8. So, total of this is called as sigma P X minus X bar whole square. So, how much you will get? So, you are going to get 31. Okay, fine. Same thing you do it for Y also. Find out Y bar, then Y minus Y bar, Y minus Y bar whole square. Find out. (0.30) into 8, how much you are going to get? You are going to get 2.4. Then 18 into 0.40, how much you are going to get? You are going to get 7.2. Simultaneously, you are going to get 1.6. Then this into this, you are going to get 4.8. Okay, so R Y bar is equal to 16. 8 minus 16, how much it is? Minus 8. Then 18 minus 16, it is 2. Then 16, it is 0. 24 minus 16, it is 8. This is y minus y bar. Then go for y minus y bar square. 8 ge 64, you will get 2. You are going to get 4, 0. It is 0 only. Then 8, it is 64. This is y minus y bar square. Then you go for p into y minus y bar whole square. Multiply this into this one, you are going to get 19.2, then 1.6, then it is 0, then it is 12.8. So, total of this one, it is 33.6. Fine. Then moving on to find out the p into x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Find out this value in order to find out the standard deviation x minus x bar into y minus y bar, that is 0.30 into 3, that is x minus x bar, then minus 8, that is y minus y bar. So, how much you are going to get? So, you are going to get minus 7.2. Second one, p into 0.40 into x minus x bar into y minus y bar. You are going to get minus 1.6. Next, third one, 0.10 into x minus x bar, y minus y bar. So, you are going to get 0. Then same thing for the last one, 0.20 into x minus x bar and y minus y bar. You are going to get minus 11.2. So, total of this one, it is minus 20. Minus 20 is called as covariance of x, y. Covariance of both x and y. This is how we are going to calculate the return of x and the return of y. Simultaneously, you are supposed to calculate the risk of ONGC and risk of VSNL, then covariance of xy at the end correlation coefficient. So, let us complete that. So, we have to find out the risk factor, okay, that is risk we have to find out, risk of ONGC, that is standard deviation of ONGC. So, individual security risk we have to find out, formula for that is sigma p x minus x bar whole square, x minus x bar whole square, already you have found how much it is, 31. For that we have to find out the root. So, 31 into root value is 5.57. This is for ONGC. Standard deviation of VSNL is equal to sigma p y into y minus y bar whole square. So, how much you had calculated? It is 33.6. 33.6, root value is 5.8 approximately, you will get it. This is individual risk calculation. So, then you find out the covariance of xy, already you have found it is minus 20 in the previous calculation. Then find out the R value, correlation coefficient. R value, find out the R value. R is equal to covariance of xy divided by standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y. This into that one. Covariance, how much it is? Minus 20. Standard deviation of x is 5.57. 57 into y 5.8. You will get minus 0.62. Okay, so correlation coefficient is negative, negatively correlated. One security is written as well as there is negatively correlated with another return. This is how we have to calculate.